I'm curious what your summer SOS problem is, whether it is a wet bathing suit, all the food you're gonna eat at the barbecue. My summer SOS is that I fear sitting around in a wet bathing suit. Thankfully at Love Wellness, summer is when we really shine, because no matter what your summer SOS is, we make life-changing formulas at Love Wellness that work at the microbiome level. Over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna be sharing all of our summer SOS situations. We really believe that our products are so much more efficacious than other brands because of our ingredient superiority. We do not include a lot of ingredients that other brands do that still make products in kind of an old school way or a really trendy way. That means no sugar, no fragrance or essential oils. What is the purpose of those ingredients? What purpose do they serve? So get ready for a fun few weeks with us as we kick off our summer. If you have an SOS problem, let us know. We will solve it for you.